Hey friends, it's Miss Withers with Unit 8, Week 1, Day 5 word work. We are still working on consonant LE syllables. Our learning targets are use strategies to identify prefixes and suffixes as well as base words to identify word meaning. And read, identify, and spell words with vowel consonant E syllables. So our example word for today is telescope. Telescope. First, let's see how many syllables that is. Telescope. 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 Wow, that's 3 syllables. And I know when I'm using my reading big word strategies, I'm looking for prefixes, I'm looking for suffixes, I'm looking for the base word and familiar spelling patterns, I'm sounding it out and blending. Telescope. Well, I know that the Greek word tele means distance. I looked that up once. And I know that scope means to see or to look. Scope. So telescope must mean to see a long distance. And that actually makes sense because I've heard of a telescope before. It's a tool that helps people see things that are far away. Now let's see if we can find our vowel consonant E in this word. And I think I see it. Vowel consonant E. Here it is. Remember, a consonant is any letter that is not a vowel. So in your work today, first you're going to count how many syllables is in each word and put that number in the cloud. Telescope has 3, so I put a 3 in the cloud. And then you're going to put a box around the vowel consonant E syllable in each word. After that, you are going to drag the words and put them in the correct spot to complete the sentences. Use context clues and word parts to determine meaning. Your words are incomplete, microphone, inhumane, relocate, and telescope. Here are the sentences. I am using my blank to look at the stars. I had to make a checklist in class because I have blank work. The zookeeper was being blank to the animals. He was not treating them fairly. We are going to have to blank my phone. I lost it at the mall. I love using a blank to amplify my voice. So drag them over, and then you will submit your slides. Best of luck. Take your time. Remember, syllables in the clouds, box around vowel consonant E, and drag each word to the correct spot. Talk to you soon.